Okay, wanted to go over a huge topic that we're reading about and I'm hearing about from clients locally, that people are getting turned down by local banks and credit unions and even some of the bigger banks because they're self-employed. Well, the reason why they're turning you down is because most banks are super conservative and they want you to show 2 years tax returns. So if a lot of you are writing off your income, which is the beauty of being self-employed, and we all understand that, that's why these banks can't do the loans. Most people go straight to the bank. They think, oh, well, my money's there. I bank there. They're going to approve me for a loan, even though I'm self-employed. That's not the case anymore. So here's why you want to deal with a mortgage broker, is because we have 30 or 40 different loan products where we can get you approved when the bank turns you down or is not able to do that loan because they have no creative financing. So let's start out with what's available in the market and what we can do for you as a self-employed entrepreneur that wants to buy a home, but you don't want to spend all your money in taxes and you still want to write off all that income. Well, I've got different programs. Let's say you have 2 years tax returns and your 2021 tax returns, you wrote off most of your income, so you're only showing a small amount of income. And then your 2022, you did a lot better because the market was doing a lot better and you didn't write off as much stuff, so you're showing more income, sometimes even double what you showed the year before. And you don't want to take that 2-year average for your income. Well, we have a solution for you. I can run it through an automated system, and as long as you've been in business for 5 years, I can use that most recent tax return to get you approved. Now, if you don't show enough income on that most recent tax return and tax returns are not an option for you, we do have other loan products that would fit that may fit your situation. So one of the loan products I want to go over, we have a 1099 option. So if you're paid a 1099 on a 1099 form and you've been in the business for at least 2 years, even if 1 year you were paid a W-2, and for the last 12 months you've been paid a 1099 and you received that form in the mail so you can file your tax returns with, I can use that most recent 1099 form and get you qualified with that income. All we have to do is we have to deduct 10%, whatever that total income was on the 1099 form, we have to deduct that 10% from that income, and we qualify you with using 90% of your income on that form. That is a super easy way to get qualified for most 1099 people. This is a new product. You guys have never heard of this before. This is just something we've never seen. I've been in the business for about 25 years and I've never seen anything like this. I've got some other products that we can go over as well. So for a lot of people that are self-employed, they're showing a lot of good deposits. So we've got a couple different options for you there. Whether you're in business from 1.5 years to 2 years, I can use 12 months business bank statements, or I can use 12 months personal bank statements to get you approved. Now keep in mind, on the business bank statements, they're going to deduct automatically 50% from whatever all of your deposits are. Now, there is a way around that as well. If you want to get your CPA to write you a letter saying that you only write off 20% or 25% or even 10% or 5% of your income as write-offs, then we can use a lot more on those business bank statements. Now, I have had clients that have come to me and they use personal bank statements for their business. And with that, that's even better because we don't deduct anything from those personal bank statements. We get to use all the deposits that are on there. Now, on either of these two products, you will have abnormal deposits that don't fit what your normal deposits are, like something way out of the norm. They may take that out of the calculation for your income. So that's usually the only time when there's an issue. But what we like to do is we like to have you send the bank statements over. We'll go through those. I'll have my rep at the bank go through those, and they'll calculate all of the deposits that are usable for that program. Another product we have a stated income product. So if you want to go stated income, stated asset, no job, we have that product as well. So your income is stated. So we don't put it on the application.